In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then hit Permission Manager and tap on any feature that you wish to manage, like location. Now you can select an app, like Calendar from Not Allowed section, and apply one of those available options. Location access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. After you decide it, just go back. As you can see, after that, Calendar just gained access to my location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature, tap on an app that you wish to manage, and select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those, only for chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!